Yo, we got the tallest team, and we ballin' like Kareem, and we ballin' like Hakeem, and that's how it seems when we shootin' those threes, and then it beams, and when it beams, we got it beam. They talking to me like it's Mr. Bean. Clean your mouth out, no Listerine. Got it, yeah, we got it, yo, we got it. I'm not choking on this beat, I be joking, and then your people be broken, and when they broken, and I got it. And I use the obliteration, and I obliterate every nation I know. I got my motivation from people that was singing all across the nation, but they been rapping and trapping, and I go up and I cash in the checking, and I'm cashing the check in the checking account, looking at my balance like I ain't got nothing in my bank account. 20 years later, now I got more than a 20 ounces of money just sitting on stacks on stacks, and they talking about racks on racks, and we don't want no racks on racks, we just have the racks. And then some dude asked me to kill the shy rack, but I hung him on a dry rack and told him to get off the bypass, and then I go slide pass. And then he wants to tell me do a fast beat, then I kick it to a fast free when I kick it to the fast beat. 6 foot, 7 foot taller than I am, and if you trying to talk, shoot you up like the Taliban. No, I got the Excalibur weaponry, but if you talk me, then we're gonna shoot your team. And when we shoot your team, told you we the tallest team, and we ballin' how it seem, cause we ballin' like Kareem. And we got the MJ, Scottie Pippen, all these people tripping, cause they think that they just some Christians. If they keep on sipping, then they keep on sipping on that liquor, but we don't need no liquor, cause our flow is so sicker, cause we the real ones. If you trying it, man, you gon' kill some squirrel. Couldn't even get a girl, talking about the whole world like you don't know how it works. Even if you gotta work, gotta get it, always have it. And if you don't know, then you know it's gonna be a havoc, always got it. Ballin' like LeBron, no, I'm just playing, got it, cause you know I got the gold, turned it into bronze, told it into silver, cause you know I couldn't give it. Yeah, keep on going, then I keep on going, then I keep on flowing, then I keep on showing out. Showing out, cause this show keep on playing when they talking to me like I'm Super Saiyan, but I ain't no Super Saiyan. But I'll go Super Saiyan on the beat if I have to, even if I have to. No, I don't have to. But if you wanna get this on your own track, get this back, Get the message and I'm texting, then you know I got it next, and talking about the J.R. West. No, I don't even know what I'm talking about next. I just spit it off the top, off the T.O.P. People know it's me, N-A-T-E, and Real MC. Yeah, got the beat breaks, then the beat breaks, then the beat stakes, then the beat waits, then I kill it on the beat break. Hold up. I'm rapping too fast, not thinking about my past, and I put them all on blast. When I put them all on blast, you know that's when it's real. And then you're talking about, I'm the next one to get killed, because I am. I'm the one you're looking up to, but you're not cooking up to. Then you go and book me up to nothing that you couldn't get me if you even tried to. Sign me to your team. Told you we the tallest team. Ballin' all like we're Kareem. Got the MJ when we kick it on the sway, then we get it every day. Told you, 5 a.m. waking up in the morning and everything is so boring, and we got it that morning. I get up in the morning, waking up, looking on the side of my bed, then realize that everything in my dresser is red, but I ain't no blood, I ain't banging with those crips. Gotta get it, cause they all wanted me to take a sip, but I told them no, I don't want it. If I even want it, then I'm gonna make 100, then I get the 150, repping for my city.